Hi folks, this is Wendell Helton with Helton Construction, and probably here in the last 3 or 4 weeks I've fielded 6 or 7 calls about the tankless water heaters and people getting them to put out hotter water. And the factory and what the plumber set at default is 120 degrees, so that nobody burns themselves. So I have to instruct people on how to turn that up, and it's usually on your manual. It is page 67, 68, and it'll instruct you on how to turn it up. And so you're supposed to hold the up and down buttons, and then the 140 degree will blink, and then you can adjust it down from 140 degrees. I recommend that you guys set it at 130 degrees. 140 degree water will burn you in less than 30 seconds. So if you have small children, I would set it at 130 degrees and make sure you monitor them so they don't burn themselves in the bathtub or the shower. Or you can set the temperature in your delta core of your faucet, and we can go over that in another video. So with all that said, to take that to 100, mine's already preset, but you hold the up and down right here, and then this will go to default and start blinking, and so you're overriding what the plumber sets in there, and then you can raise it up every 5 degrees. 130 degrees is plenty hot. On the 199,900 BTU water heaters that we put in our homes, it will keep up with 4 or 5 fixtures. And what I mean by fixtures is, lab sink, kitchen sink, dishwasher, shower, those things, washing machine. If your builder put in a smaller one, which is to save money, which he shouldn't have, they do make the 157,500 BTU. So 130 degrees, you're going to be able to use probably two fixtures at the same time at 130 degrees, maybe 3. So to do that, to turn this up, go to page 67 or 68 in your manual, and you can turn that up. I also want to go over a little bit of maintenance. Maintenance with these is pretty simple. It has a built-in screen for particles and stuff like that, so it doesn't get in your heat exchanger and ruin your heat exchanger. And to do that, we're going to turn this water off here, and we're going to turn the cold water off here. Shut that completely off. Right here is a screen. You're going to turn this off, turn this, and you're going to pull out that screen and clean the screen and reinstall that. So if you have a lot of stuff in your water, sediment and silt and stuff like that, because you ain't got a whole house filter, you need to clean this screen about every 60 days until that sediment's no longer pushing through your well. So that's important stuff right there, because this unit here will be ruined in a matter of 2 years if you don't clean that out, because that will eventually push through there and start messing up the heat exchanger on it. Hey, if you guys like to know more about Helton Construction, you can go to our website at helton-construction.com.